together to form a solid. Each cube has a volume of 1/8 inch cubed. Find the surface area of the solid. Well, first of all, in order to get the volume, you're doing length times width times height. And so I'm going to find the cube root of 1/8 equals 1/2 inch. So each of these sides are 1/2 of an inch, okay? So now I need to figure out how many faces there are in this diagram. So if I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So I have 21 faces in the front, plus on the side here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.